This is a video that I'm testing out to see and improve my process for making the Basecamp instructional video. So let's go to Basecamp and look through it here. And so across the top of the web page, we have 7 unique tools. So if you click on the first one, Home, it'll bring you to all of the projects you're in, and you will just see this one project. And so I think I'm actually going to want to do this from a different. So here I am from the client side now, showing you an example. So clicking on Home will bring you to this home page here, and it shows all the projects you're in. You'll have one that's the name of your business, and if you click on it, that's where you'll find access to all of the activities and messages and schedule that we'll be working with you. And we'll go over these in a little more in depth later on. So next in the line of tools up at the top is Lineup. Go ahead and click Lineup. It's just a new feature that will plot out all of the schedules for all of the tasks in our to-do list, and it'll plot it out with beginning and end time. So there's just a clear visual for how things line up. The next tool is Pings. I want to see this. My thing, every time I click, I want that yellow. How do I get that yellow? Maybe they turned it off. Pings is it's how to start a private chat. So I'll chat with me and I'll ping him. I can say hi. Excuse me. And you see any pings that you have here. Hey is where it'll show you notifications for messages on their things on your to-do list and anything else that has a notification enabled. The next tool is Activity, and it just brings you to a list of all the recent activity. My stuff will show you, what is this even? It'll show you everything basically in relation to you. So tasks that you've completed, bookmarks that you've created, assignments that are assigned to you, and so on and so forth. And then last of all, you have the Find tool, and you can, of course, search for anything in any of the in any part of the project that we're working on. You can search for due date or whatever it is you're looking for. So with that all in mind, Home is where Home and Hey are useful, and they may be where you spend a lot of your time. But they are all of those tools up there are so you can more easily access the information here in your project. And so let's open up this project and look at it. So we have the message board. And in here you'll see all of the important messages from us. And it's also an area where we can anyone involved in the project can comment and have a discussion there, kind of like a group email format. Then the to-do list is where the tasks are assigned to individuals, whether that be on our team or tasks that we need you to complete for or tasks that are up to you to finish to keep the ball moving. Then there are docs and files, is where we'll have you'll have access to documents and things. Documents that you'll be able to edit and also review. And then once this schedule is where you will see in the calendar format when all the tasks are due once we have started assigning them. And that is Basecamp in a nutshell.